64 at Hickory, 63 at Greensboro, 70 at Wilmington, and 58 at Asheville. In South Carolina, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 65 at Greenville-Spartanburg and 68 at Columbia. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Charlotte Airport, it was 69 degrees and cloudy. Automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
6 hours!
More noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in good working order.
And you didn't activate.
For hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards to an alert test. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Carolinas on Wednesday, October. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight
It
Time.
would have been a perfect activation if you will.
October 11th, 53 at Charlotte Douglas International Airport. It was cloudy. The temperature was 69 degrees, the dew point 48, and the